Optical connectors, Part 1, we will discuss today on most common fiber optic connector types FC, SC, and LC. Ferrule core connector are known in short as FC. They have round screw-type fitment made from nickel-plated or stainless steel. The connector end face relies on an alignment key for correct insertion and is then tightened into the adapter/jack using a threaded collet. The screw-on collet of the FC does make it particularly effective in high vibration environments, ensuring that the spring-loaded ferrule is firmly mated. Type of FC connectors are FCPC and FCAPC. Standard connector or subscriber, connector or square connector are in short known as SC. They have a square molded plastic body push-pull coupling end face with a spring-loaded ceramic ferrule. It was developed by the laboratories at Nippon Telegraph and Telephone, NTT, in the mid-80s. Type of SC connectors are SCPC and SCAPC. Lucent connector is short, also known as LC. It was invented by Lucent Corporation. It is a kind of a push-pull connector. The LC utilizes a latch as opposed to the SC locking tab. Due to its smaller ferrule, it is known as a small form factor connector. The two types of LC connectors are LCPC and LCAPC. Fiber optic connector are available in a variety of forms. Most common ones are shown in the image: PC, UPC, and APC, which are correspondingly physical contact connector, ultra physical contact connector, and angled physical contact connector, which is at an 8-degree angle. Losses occurring each of these will be typically of range of values listed in the table. Connector loss is caused by a number of factors. Loss is minimized and the two fiber cores are identical and perfectly aligned.